Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to do an unboxing of a gaming chair from the company HOFFREE. It has a massage lumbar support, and it also has a footrest. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright guys, so here we have a gaming chair from the company HOFFREE. This thing could stand up to 440 pounds for all the big boys out there, and it does have the massage lumbar support as well, and it does have the footrest. I did actually make a video on a gaming chair before on my channel, but this one is way better, and I'm telling you, for the price, you guys are gonna love it. I will have a coupon code down in the description below and a link as well. So let's get right into the unboxing. As you can see from the unboxing, I'm gonna change the mic around just a little bit. All right, so as far as the overall box itself, you see that we have this brown box, and it does have the gaming chair on there, and it does actually say right there that it has the massage, and it has the footrest, and it has a picture of the actual gaming chair itself. Now, as far as the shipping situation, I did have it delivered, and as you can see, it has a nice little hole right there that has a screw actually sticking out. It says right there, it says that some screws are pre-installed on the chair and are not included in the hardware pack. So please check the screw number according to the instruction manual and look for it on the chair. So that's when it comes as far as the box. So it should be way more easier to install. So let's just pop this baby open.
I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you no point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
So we are now back. As you guys can see, the gaming chair is finally complete. As you can see, it's definitely a beauty. I do have the massage chair actually going on right now, as you can see from there. And if you want to learn how to pull this out, you just have to do a couple of enhancements just like so. And then you have your chair itself. Now, one thing that I did not notice is that the armrests are not adjustable. So you cannot actually raise the armrest. And as far as the height, it seems like it's a little bit too short for me. And actually, another thing too is that it doesn't go all the way back. It only goes back a certain extent, which is completely fine. So I'm about 5'11", but as far as the comfort of it is really, really comfortable. As far as this, I do have it on. As you guys can hear, it does feel good, and I actually have the wire. It's actually creeping through the back. You guys can see the wire right over there. It's a pretty long wire, but as far as the comfort, I think that it's pretty cool, and especially for the price. So if you guys want to pick one up, the link will be down below. I do have a coupon code that's actually linked down below as well, but I truly think that this is fantastic for the price, especially when it comes to the comfort. I think that is really, really fantastic. So if you guys want to pick one up, the link will be down below. Big shout out to HOFFREE. I can show you guys exactly how it looks from the side here. So if you want to raise it up, you go like here. And if you want to put the seat back, you just got to press this one just like so. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of HOFFREE Gaming Chairs and more tech to come. Peace and love. See you guys in the next video.